Hey, in front of me is Honor Magic4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Honor. You need to start by opening settings. Now scroll down and click on biometrics and password. Then you need to tap on face recognition over here and enter your current screen lock. After that, read the disclaimer, choose Get Started and keep your face in frame. Remember to follow all of those instructions. Now you can adjust all of those options however you wish to, and when you're ready, click on Home button. As you can see now, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!